Vetted on these streets I came up in, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Vetted on these streets, got my people, they eating good. Yeah, they eating good. Yeah, we eating good. Going through a phase like rap boys dancing at a rave. So high I can hardly feel my face, still getting paid 7 different ways. Tripping up, twisted up, told you you better listen up. Linked up with them bosses, they vetted. Oh yeah, we showing up, breaking all the rules. Don't need blueprints, you couldn't walk a mile inside my shoes. The legendary is just too big, it's getting bigger. Paid up all my dues, ain't gotta prove it. Stand still watching me make all these moves. The lane switch, damn, it's just too quick. The flow is lit. Now, let me take you back for a minute. Back when your boy was knee deep in it. Back before I ever caught a case. Back to mixtape dropping on my space. Running with the greats, yeah, you know I'm getting that cheddar better. Rack after rack I set up, track after track I blow up, stack after stack I throw up. Time after time I turn up, building something from nothing. Touch it and go just shows up. Head on the swivel, gotta stay on my toes, gotta watch this hustle. They rarely come in simple, gotta stay strapped cause they might be busting. Still rising higher, yeah. Still spitting fire, yeah. Word is born of the cornerstones of my empire. Say I said, I've said it. Said enough, you won't forget it. Like a heart 17 in Vegas, all on red, I wouldn't bet it. Forget it, you regret it. Said it, get embedded, I jet it. Change the weather whenever, I never fret it. Back up in the high life, they be out here taking seats. Straight capping, missing the beats, and they wanna know why they stay so weak. Sicker than Robitussin, fussing, cussing, and rustin'. Load around first, raw down first, and you ain't showing me nothing. Built for bigger things, I'm like Django without the chains. When I jump in the saddle and take the reins, everybody in the West know my name. Game change, but I don't just run on these beats. I be out here and I'm running these streets, hustle up every day of this week. And if I got it, then my people got it stacked. They don't work too hard for too long, they don't stay too strong, and I got their back. We keep it moving, just like that, like that, like that. We keep it moving, just like that, just like that. Vetted on the streets I came up in, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Vetted on these streets, got my people, they eating good. Yeah, they eating good. Yeah, we eating good. Vetted on these streets I came up in, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Yeah, I wish you would. Vetted on these streets, got my people, they eating good. Yeah, they eating good. Yeah, we eating good. We keep it moving, just like that, like that, but like that. We keep it moving, just like that, just like that. Drips and new whips, chasing money all the time. It's all about the stacks, all about them greenbacks. It's all about the stacks, all about them greenbacks. Diamonds in my hands, hold up, drip just won't stop. It's like that boss I play to win. So rough, can't stop that cream on top. I drive my favorite Benz, all black interior, serious, that exterior, furious, come through superior, flossing. I stack a lot of ends. Never look just piling money up, no time for fake friends. Then you never see me messing with them empty cups. Now I'm all grands, now I got that rose, now I got that fame. Now I got a lot of access in life. Now I got another living room on a plane. It's all me, put up where I wanna be. Popped up in life, I'm walking in Memphis like I'm Bruce Hornsby. Them horns be announcing the rivals in every state. Master and commander, I design my fate. I don't wait, I'm never finished, I'm never through. Bigger, better, whatever, yo, the motto is push through. Collecting hundreds, I got some dimes, harem built 2 floors deep, and they all mine. Doing this, how am I doing this? How easy doing this? Look how we doing this. Got an X5, got an X6, got a bunch of diamonds on his goddamn wrist. How we stay bliss, how we can't miss, how we making money now hand over fist. How we got that, how we got this, how we drop old tracks with a brand new twist. How we keep growing, how we keep going, how we keep turning up so fresh like this. Multi-million, investment ceiling, another level of rebel. Yo, get your mind right, and get yourself right, and get your negotiation game up and keep it airtight.